Hello viewer from YouTube, you're about to watch an extract from my Work Faster with InDesign course, which as you would imagine is a course that will get you working faster with InDesign. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to watch the whole thing, then you can access it by clicking the link below. I'm sure you've all been there, particularly when you were learning InDesign at the beginning. You know there's a command you want, let's say text frame options, but you can't remember where it is. So you're looking around, is it in the edit menu, is it in the type menu, is it in the object menu, and you're getting a bit fed up. So one way to help that a little bit is if you hold down Command Option and Shift, or Control Alt Shift, when you click on a menu, it shows you the menu items in alphabetical order. All right, so I can look in there and I'm looking for text frame options. So down at T at the bottom, no, it's not there. It's not in layout. It's not in type. There it is in the object menu. Okay, so that might help you. So that's one way of finding something you might have lost. The other one is if you do Command or Control Return, it brings up Quick Apply. Now this might have happened to you accidentally before. You might wonder what that is, but you can apply things really quickly. There's a number of ways you can use this. The way we're going to look at it now is to look for a command. So if I start typing text frame, and look at that, right at the top there, I'll zoom in for you, object menu, text frame options, that's the one you want. So if you simply hit return at this point, there you are in that command. Okay, so that's one use of Quick Apply. Using Command or Control Return brings up Quick Apply, you type in what you want. When it lists it, hit return. So two ways, hopefully, of helping you find the command you need. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other videos on the same theme, they're in this same playlist. If you want to watch the whole course, you can click on the link below to access that. And of course, if you want to subscribe and like, then that would be great.